So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, so please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be really appreciate you guys. So guys, today's video is about how to download Instagram videos on your laptop or your computer, whatever you call. So select the video what you have to download. So guys, right click, go to inspect elements. So and as you can see in inspect element, you have to just type a key Ctrl+F and just type over here MP4. So this is the video URL. So just simply copy this URL, open a new page and paste over here and click enter. So the videos come right over here. So what you have to do is right now right click and save video as, click that. Type your file name whatever you like and save right over here. So as you can see the video is saved right over here. Cancel this and check right over here, the video is come. Guys, that's all I want to talk about in this video. You can just simply close this. So guys, that's what I want to talk about in this video. If you enjoy, so guys, make sure to follow me on my Instagram account. The link is given in the description. So guys, thanks for watching and make sure to follow me on Instagram. Until then, subscribe, like, share, comment and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. And guys, peace out. Bye friends.